Hey there, is your Elgato Camlink 4K not working as expected? If you're experiencing issues with your Elgato Camlink 4K, you're not alone. Many users encounter connectivity and functionality problems, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical steps and solutions to troubleshoot and fix your Elgato Camlink 4K so you can get back to streaming and recording with ease. Step 1. Check your connection. The first step in resolving issues with your Elgato Camlink 4K is to check all of your physical connections. Ensure that the HDMI cable is securely connected to your camera and the Elgato Camlink 4K. Also, verify that your Elgato is properly connected to your computer via a USB 3.0 port. Loose or faulty cables can lead to connectivity issues, so double check everything is snugly in place. Step 2. Update drivers and software. Outdated drivers or software can cause your Elgato Camlink 4K to malfunction. Visit Elgato's official website to download and install the latest drivers and firmware updates for your device. Additionally, make sure that your streaming or recording software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs is up to date. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Step 3. Configure the correct setting. Incorrect settings may lead to the Elgato Camlink 4K not being recognized. Open your video capture software and verify the input source is set to the Elgato Camlink 4K. Double check the resolution and frame rate settings, ensuring they match your camera's output. If it's still not working, try lower settings to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Test on a different device. To determine if the problem is with your computer or the Elgato itself, try connecting the Camlink 4K to a different computer. If it works, the issue may stem from your original computer. In this case, consider updating your operating system or exploring any conflicting applications or drivers that may be causing the problem. Step 5. Reset and restart. Often overlooked, a simple reset can resolve many technical issues. Unplug your Elgato Camlink 4K, reboot your computer, and then reconnect everything. Restarting your computer can clear up temporary glitches and resets the connection between devices. Step 6. Reach out to support. If you've tried all these steps and your Elgato Camlink 4K is still not working, consider reaching out to Elgato's customer support. They have a dedicated team that can help troubleshoot and provide solutions specific to your device and setup. Fixing your Elgato Camlink 4K when it's not working can be straightforward with the right steps. From checking connections and updating drivers to testing on different devices and reaching out for support, these solutions should help you resolve the issue. Ensuring your device works seamlessly allows you to focus on creative content without technical disruption. Remember to always prioritize keeping your system updated and regularly checking your hardware for any issues. Enjoy uninterrupted streaming and recording with your Elgato Camlink 4K.